Let us move to the fourth variable K-map. So now I think you know how to draw the truth table. So I will just fill up the cell positions according to the MSB and LSB bits. Since there are 4 variables, so you have 2 raised to 4, that is nothing but 16 cells. You can easily see that 3 variables K-maps are attached to each other. Now let us say that A is the MSB and D is the MSB bit. So I will write down MSB part A, B, C, D. Above A I will write down the MSB, D, LSB. Once again this can take 4 combinations for AB and 4 combinations for CD. So for AB it will be 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Once again make sure that you are writing the gray code while filling up the K-map. And for the CD same structure will follow 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. And now through MSB to LSB, if you read it out, you need to read it out like A, B, C, D. So first cell corresponding to 0th position, first position. While looking for the third cell, it is A, B, C, D, 0 0 1 1. So this will be corresponding to third, 0 0 1 0, second. So as you will fill out the all locations likewise. So all the cell positions from 0 to 15 are entered here. Now let us fill up the second one. So now in the other K-map of the 4 variable, I have flipped the position for A, B and C, D. So once again write down the MSB part. So A is the MSB and D is the LSB part. No matter what position you take for AB or CD combination, but never change the Q. A, B, C, D should be in Q. So starting from MSB to LSB. Now cell positions were flipped, and also one thing I need to mention here that I will write down once again the gray coding. So the 4 combinations for bit AB, that is nothing but 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The same thing for CD bit 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So I will write down the gray code for this. So for 0 0 the gray code is first bit is as it is 0, second bit is XOR with the other bit, that is nothing but 0 XOR with 0 is 0. So this is 0 0 XOR with 1 1 1 as it is, 1 XOR with 0 1 1 as it is, 1 XOR with 1 0. Same combinations I will follow here. So this will be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So now the cell positions are flipped. On the earlier 4 variable K-map, we have filled the K-map vertically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it will be horizontal position. Why? Because A, B and C, D are flipped. So A, B, C, D go into the manner A, B 0, 0, C, D 0, 0. So this will be 0th location. A, B 0, 0, C, D 0, 1. So this will be 1. This will be 2. This will be 3. So this is how if we fill up all the 16 cells likewise. So this is the final representation for K-map, and you can go on folding this K-map along the symmetrical axis till you will get the symmetrical diagram or the symmetrical K-map. So if you are going to fold this K-map once, you will get the K-map pictures as 3 variable or 2 variable. So this is all about 4 variable K-map.